So we have sitting here a 1990 964 C2. This is our new light restoration project.
What's crazy to remember is that when we started wrenching on this vehicle to take it apart, from when it leaves for paint was only 11 days. That's an impressive turnaround time.
The light restoration has begun. I'm super excited. Actually, it started yesterday. This has got to come out. All the vents got to come out. The fuel tank's got to come out. The fuse box has got to come out. It is. Woo! It is high.
It looks a bit like it's growing something.
Oh yeah, down here and stuff. It's probably asbestos is the bestest, you know?
Just has some critters in her.
It's not just an engine, it's a home.
It is.
So what are going to be potential issues and setbacks?
You mean serious right now? The most important part of teardown week is actually getting things torn down. So those 3 things, and the interior, so 4 things, you can't count. 4 things, interior, exterior, engine, suspension. That's what's included in a light restoration. It's 90 days, 200 grand.
You're watching Olsen Spec.
All right, the teardown continues. How's it going?
Buddy, well, it depends on, you gotta ask me like every 20 minutes how's it going, because it keeps going up and down. But we got some broken head studs, which is no surprise. We had some super compromised studs, which we have to replace, which is like here. Anytime you have hardware like this where it's rusted and it's rusted into the thread right there, that's compromised. We could restore that, make it look perfect, but it's weak. So luckily they all came out. We should do a video on how to take studs out the right way. But especially these are scary. Anytime you get rust right down into the base, that's a scary stud to pull. But if you know what you're doing and you have patience, which is something that I lack in massive amounts, you can get it out. So one broken head stud on this side, and I know there's one on that side because it's on the ground. And yeah.
All right, keep at it. Whoopa.
I don't have to go to the gym today.
Not today. I need to though.
God.
I hope you got more than 3 hours of sleep.
No.
Oh man.
People wonder why I have a fan. It's a workout doing this.
Oh, I'm sure.
Do you know how many studs are in an air-cooled engine?
4 times, I don't know how many.
127.
Okay, I wouldn't have guessed that.
That's why it takes so long.
But you get to be the boss.
You want to trade?
No.
Why not?
I think you're good at doing what you do, and I think I'm good at doing what I'm doing.
Oh, dude.
Why mess up a good thing? for everyone saying this man doesn't work hard in this shop. I mean, look at this. Look at this.
Can you believe the people the stuff they say on the internet?
Well,
It's unbelievable.
no. Especially when the evidence is right here.
If I wear a clean pair of shoes, they're like, that guy's never worked a day in his life. Mother. Don't even start with me. I got a whole pile of these. You talking that bullshit? I want to see your skinny get over here and even break one of these loose, let alone turn it out 20 threads. Keep talking that bullshit.
He's cheating though. He's coming over here fresh.
Exactly. I'm getting old, Kevin. Can't help. What do we got going on here? Chasing the clock, man. That's hard. You feel how hard that is to pull.
We don't have a ratcheting wrench here, Tim? What, Sam? What's this guy talking about?
Now do that times 20.
You must have did all the hard part on this one already.
Well, it's almost out.
When you gave it to me, it was...
I wanted you to feel like I wanted you to feel like an absolute beast.
I do.
Like you're better than me. That way you go over there and you get that other box you're working on done.
I had to go show the boss how strong I was.
It's called psychology, son.
We got it on tape.
We did.
Everybody who sees this video is going to clearly see I had no struggle.
Yeah, it's called psychology. That's not spicy. I leave the center 4 in
Why do you do that?
because I'm going to use my case spreader. You'll see.
Okay.
This is the longest I've ever taken to take an engine apart. Ad-lib. My first time ever doing it, I didn't take this long.
It's a true test of your metal.
I have never in my life seen an engine more rusted with more C's broken ever.
Yeah.
Really hot. That's me. That's really hot. So that's soft. If I just try to use an extractor right there, it's so soft, it's compromised. I need to get clean metal to use my extractor. See the difference?
I do.
I swear to God, he needs a you know what he needs to do? You're gonna send him a detailing bill for my tools. I swear to God. If you know what? If I get one snug in my shoes from something falling out of this engine, he's gonna get a phone call and it ain't gonna be pretty.
Close, you get blamed.
You know, it's $100 socket.
It's a $100 socket.
It's a $100 socket. Worth every penny. Turd. Even my socket gets stuck. Or oh. There's so much dirt on it, it didn't stick.
It's a bit goopy.
You got an anniversary coming up?
What?
You guys' anniversary coming up or something?
No, it just happened.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, like 2 weeks ago or whatever.
Oh.
Yeah. Like we've been together like, I don't know.
You're supposed to know these things.
We've been married a few years.
Yeah, more than a few.
Yeah.
Hell of a woman for putting up with your
Couldn't agree more.
I'm glad this is all recording.
I only speak the truth.
All I wanna do is make love to you.
You got it all, don't worry. You got it all.
Caught in 4K.
You're a subtle guy, Tim, you know. You gotta
Yeah,
accept
subtle.
you for
That's
you.
the word.
Very subtle.
Very.
That's the wrong size.
Remember my first name.
She put up a fight, but she's no match for Tim Olsen and a blowtorch.
And the blowtorch, that's the key.
All right, you got all the stuff over there you're keeping, and all the stuff that we're throwing away.
Another one in the making, Sam.
I know.
Another one in the making.
It really was crazy watching this car get taken apart so quickly and being off to paint. Can't wait to see it come back and start putting this thing all together again.